Hi everyone, welcome to another GCSE physics video by SMARTPATHTUTORING. This is about concave lenses and magnification. Draw a ray diagram for an image through a concave lens. Step 1. Pick a point on the top of the object. Draw a ray from the object parallel to the principal axis towards the lens. Step 2. When the ray reaches the lens, it is diffracted so that it appears to come from the principal focus on the same side of the lens as the object. Draw the dashed line backwards to the principal focus. Step 3. Draw a second ray from the top of the object through the center of the lens. This ray continues in the same direction. Step 4. Mark where the backward extensions of the rays meet. This is the top of the image. Step 5. Repeat the process for the bottom of the object if necessary. If the bottom of the object lies on the principal axis, then the bottom of the image will also lie on the principal axis. Exam tip. In ray diagrams, if you draw the ray through the center of the lens, it continues straight without changing the direction. Concave lenses always create virtual images. Unlike a convex lens, a concave lens always produces a virtual image, upright image, smaller diminished image. The image is formed on the same side of the lens as the object. Magnifying glasses use convex lenses. Magnifying glasses work by creating a magnified virtual image. The object being viewed must be placed closer to the lens than the focal length. Because the object is inside the focal length, the image is virtual. The image is upright. The image is larger, magnified. The image appears on the same side of the lens as the object. Remember, you can't project a virtual image into a screen. You can use the magnification equation to calculate how much larger or smaller an image is than the object. Magnification formula. Magnification equals image height divided by object height, where image height equals height of the image and object height equals height of the object. Key facts to remember. Concave lens always produces a virtual image, upright image, smaller diminished image. Image is on the same side of the lens as the object. For magnifying glass uses a convex lens. Object must be inside the focal length. It produces a virtual image, upright image, and a magnified image. Magnification equation. Magnification equals image height divided by object height. Magnification. Image is larger than the object. Magnification equals 1. Image is the same size as the object. And magnification smaller than 1. Image is smaller than the object. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.